How to review recognized devices on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review recognized devices on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click this three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just go down and click activity log, and then click this one, look at actions and other activity, and click this one, recognize the devices. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.